Namaste children, welcome to Rere Edu. In today's video we will learn about some wild and domestic birds from your class 1 textbooks. Birds are beautiful creatures that fly in the sky, swim in water and live around us. They have different homes, foods, sounds and special features. Today we will learn about some common birds around us like peacock, pigeons, owl, duck, chicken. So get ready to watch, listen and learn. Let's begin our bird adventure. So birds are special animals that we see around us every day. Though they look different, all birds share some common features. All birds have a body covered with feathers. Feathers help birds to fly and keep them warm. They have two wings to help them fly and two legs to walk or hop. All birds have a beak. They do not have teeth. Beaks help birds eat food and build nests. Birds lay eggs. Baby birds come out from eggs and are cared by their parents. Most birds can fly, but some birds can only walk or swim. Birds make different sounds like chirping, cooing or calling. Birds breathe with lungs and are warm-blooded animals. First, let us see the difference between wild and domestic birds. Wild birds live freely in nature and domestic birds live with humans at home or in farms. Wild birds have to find their own food, but domestic birds are fed by humans. Wild birds are not tamed by humans, but domestic ones are domesticated by humans and they are friendly. Wild birds make their own nest, but shelter is given to domestic birds by humans. Wild birds live freely in nature, but domestic birds depends humans for food and shelter. Our first animal from this group is an owl. It lives in different habitats like forests, grasslands, marshes, farmlands, cities, everywhere except Antarctica. They make homes in cavities of trees, cliffs, barns or in ground holes. They eat on different food like mice, rabbits, frogs, snakes, fish, large insects. They are carnivorous animals. They hunt mostly at night, so they are called nocturnal birds. They have no gender specific names. Both male and female birds are known as owl only. The young ones are called owlets. They make sounds called hoot or screech or bark. They are nocturnal animals. They have big eyes to see in the dark. They can turn their heads almost all the way around, that is almost 270 degree rotation is possible. They fly very quietly. A group of owl is called a parliament. Our next bird is a colorful one. It's a parrot. Parrots live in different habitats like forests, gardens, savannas, grasslands, etc. They make nests on trees. They are omnivores in nature in their food habits. They eat food like seeds, nuts, fruits, vegetables and insects. Male and female parrots birds are known by the same name, parrot. They don't have gender specific names. The baby of parrots are called chicks. They make loud quacking sounds. They can copy sounds and words. A group of parrot is called a pandemonium. So children, look at the peacock, a bird full of colors and beauty. It has a long tail with eye-like feathers. When the peacock dances, it spreads its feathers wide. Peacock is a very special bird for our country. It's our national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. The male bird is known as a peacock and the female bird is called a peahen. It eats different foods like grains, insects and seeds, so they are known as omnivores. The baby of peacocks are called peachicks. They make screams, quack or wail sounds. A group of peacock is called a muster or ostentation or pride. Meet the crow, a clever bird we see every day. With shiny black feathers and sharp eyes, it watches all around. The crow lives close to people and nature. It is one of the smartest birds we know. Habitat: it lives in different habitats like forests, fields, villages and cities. They make nest on trees, that's their home. Crows are omnivorous birds. It eats grains, insects, seeds and leftovers. There is no gender specific name for crow, male and female crows. Both are known as crow only. The young ones of crows are called chicks. Crows make loud cawing sounds, caw caw. They are very intelligent birds. A group of crow is called a murder. Next one is sparrow. Sparrows are small brown birds. They live near houses, gardens and trees. They build nests in roofs and tree branches. They eat grains, seeds and insects. They are omnivorous birds. A male bird is called a cock and a female one is called a hen. Baby sparrows are called chicks. Sparrows make sweet chirp chirp sounds. Their special features are they are very small in size and brown in color and very active. A group of sparrow is called a flock, a host, a ubiquity, a quarrel, knot or a flutter. Our next bird is pigeon. Pigeons are common birds that live around us. They are found in cities, villages, parks, buildings and farms. Pigeons can easily live close to humans. A pigeon's home is called a nest. They make their nest on roofs, balconies and trees using sticks and leaves. Pigeons are grain eaters. They eat grains, seeds, rice, wheat, corn and small fruits. Sometimes they also eat food given by people. A male bird is called a cock and the female one is called a hen. A baby pigeon is called a squab. Pigeons make cuckoo sounds. They use these sounds to communicate with each other. A group of pigeon is called a flock. Pigeons have some special features. They have strong wings, can find their way back home and are known for their excellent sense of direction. Pigeons are gentle, social birds that live peacefully around us. Here comes another beautiful bird, woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are normally found in forest, wooded areas, orchards and gardens. The home of a woodpecker is called a nest. They usually peck on trees and make holes with its strong beak. Woodpeckers mainly eat insects. They feed on ants, beetles, worms and larvae found inside trees. There is no gender specific name for woodpeckers. Both male and female birds are called as woodpecker. A baby woodpecker is called a chick. Woodpeckers make tapping and drumming sounds. They use these sounds to communicate and find food. A group of woodpecker is called a descent. Woodpeckers have many special features. They have a strong beak, a long sticky tongue, and a hard skull that protects their brain while pecking. Woodpeckers help keep trees healthy by eating harmful insects. Our next bird is swan. Swans are large and graceful water birds. They are commonly found in lakes, ponds, rivers, and wetlands. A swan's home is called a nest. Swans build their nest near water bodies using reeds, grass, and sticks. Swans are herbivorous birds. They eat aquatic plants, algae, grass, and greens. The male swan is called a cob and females are called pens. A baby swan is called a cygnet. Swans make soft honking and hissing sounds. They use these sounds to communicate and protect their young ones. A group of swan is called a bevy or flock or herd when they are in water, and in flight it's called a wedge or flight. Swans have many special features. They have long curved necks, strong wings, and they are known for being loyal, often staying with one partner for life. Swans are peaceful and elegant birds that add beauty to nature. Here comes another friendly water bird, ducks. Ducks are commonly found in ponds, lakes, rivers, farms, and wetlands. A duck's home is called a nest. Ducks make their nest in water bodies using grass, feathers, and leaves. They are omnivorous birds. They eat grains, seeds, water plants, insects, worms, and small fish. A male duck is called a drake and the female one is called a hen. A baby duck is called a duckling. Ducks make quacking sounds. They use this sound to talk to each other. A group of duck is called a flock or waddle or brace when on land, and in water they are called a raft or paddling. Ducks have some special features. They have webbed feet to help them swim and waterproof feathers that keep them dry. Ducks are active and playful birds that love water. Our next bird is chicken. Chickens are found in wild as well as in farm. They are common farm birds. They are found in villages, backyards, and poultry farms. A chicken home is called a coop when they are in farm, and in the wild they roost on trees. Chickens are omnivorous birds. They eat grains, seeds, insects, worms, greens, and fruits. A male chicken is called a rooster and the female is called a hen. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens make different sounds. Hens say cluck cluck and roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. A group of chicken is called a flock or a brood. Chickens have some special features. They have strong legs for scratching the ground, and hens can lay eggs. Chickens are useful and friendly birds that live close to humans. So children, today we learned about birds. Birds are amazing creatures. They live in different places, eat different kinds of food, and have special features that make them unique. From ponds to trees, from farms to forests, birds make our world beautiful and lively. Let's love birds, protect their homes, and care for nature. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.